Hey y'all, it's me, Vanessa, and today I have a very special video. I'm doing my normal makeup, like my everyday makeup, so let's just get right on into it. Okay, so the first thing I have is this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Coconut 3-in-1 Primer, and I use it to just spray my face as a primer. And I sprayed a little too much and I got it in my mouth. Okay, then the second thing I have is the Avon Beyond Color Line Diminishing Concealer with SPF 15, and I'm in the shade Natural. And I just like to put that under my eyes, because otherwise if I put it on my nose, it gets cakey. Then I take my e.l.f. stippling brush and stipple it under, so that way I have a natural glowy look. And that just gives me like the little bit of coverage to show that I actually got 8 hours of sleep last night. Take my powder brush by Emax Design, and I take my Stay Matte Rimmel London powder in Sandstorm, and I just put it under my eyes so my concealer does not crease. This is a very great product even though it's drugstore. Then after rummaging through all my makeup, I finally find my e.l.f. blush quad in light, and I'm having trouble with the mirror as you can see. Then I like to take this brush, which I got in a kit from Target, if you don't understand me, and I just like to swirl all the colors together, or the brightest, and I just like to put them on my cheeks, then a little on my nose, because I think that's cute, and that makes me happy. Do whatever makes you happy! Then I take my Hyper Real Glow palette from MAC. This is the gold one. I don't have the specific name. And I like to take the first color, and I like to take this flat but still chubby brush and put it on my cheekbones. And then that gives me that cute summer glow. Then I like to put it on my temples as well. I'm blinding everyone, as you can tell. On my other temple as well. Then my nose. And then under my cupid's bow. And just some on my chin. Peep my mom's elbow. Then I do my eyes. Here's a little tip. If you want to get something when it's not sold out, I got mine when he was being a sister snake with Tati. So let's just keep going with the eyes, okay? Yeah. There's my James Charles palette. Then I like to take that paintbrush. Well, I don't always use it. I mean that e.l.f. brush. It is my blending brush. It is very used. And I like to take the color Tune, and I just like to pop it on my eyelids so I have a bit of color. Then I like to take the color Code James and put it in my crease. And just do a little more. So I have that orangey look. Like Donald Trump and Sebastian Bales combined together, but in an eyeshadow. This is getting weird, isn't it? Then I like to take that flat eyeshadow brush by Wet n Wild, and I like to take Peep My Mom. I like to take 10% off and put it in my outer V. I messed up, so I'm just rubbing in my eye. And then I just like to do it again, and then I just darken it up. And then there we go. It's now darker. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Then I like to take this flat brush by, I think it's Tarte, and I like to take No Beans and pop it in my inside my V. To do that on the other side. Yay! Then I like to take this flat brush and my setting spray, and I spray the brush a couple times, and then I take my James Charles palette again, and I take the shade Face, and I pop it on my lid where I didn't put the eyeshadow, so that way I have like a nice gradient. And then see how that shines with the setting spray? That's a good tip. I'm going to make some beauty tip videos soon. I hope you guys like them. I just like to pop them on my eyes. And then, see? There we go. Then I like to take the same brush and take Sister, that really light pink champagne-y shade, and pop it in my inner corners. See? And then, did you catch that wink? Make a wish. Then I'd like to take this e.l.f. clear brow and eyelash gel. And I like to take that and put it on my brows because, like, I just gel my eyebrows with clear gel. Maybe it's tinted because I have very dark and thick eyebrows. So, like, yeah, there are my eyebrows. So they're tamed for the rest of the day. That was only $2 from the drugstore. Then I like to take my Avon Super Shock waterproof mascara and I pop it on my eyelashes, top and bottom. So I look like a Visco girl with too much chunky mascara. But then I like to soothe it out with that weird thing that you never use because it looks like it's gonna poke your eye out. Yay! Yeah, I'm beautiful. We get it. You're a narcissist, Vanessa. Stop doing that. Stop. What am I doing? I'm just being weird. Then I like to take this Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade something. In the shade 322A and pop it on my lips. It's a pretty Barbie-ish pink color. Yeah, I like it. It looks good on my lips. Then I find my NYX Dewy Setting Spray. I always do dewy, not matte, mostly because I ordered it wrong on Amazon. And I really ended up liking the dewy one. And I sprayed it on my face. So, like, and I put down my hair. And so, like, I guess this is the end of voiceover me. Now, real me is going to go over and talk. And I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Don't mind weird voiceover me. And comment if you want more videos. Make sure to subscribe. I'll have my socials up here and down below. And I'll link my last video down below and up here as well. So go find those as well. Love you guys so much. Bye!